Assalamu alaikum. This is a yellow balloon, 10th December 2025. Princess Reno, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happiest birthday to you, and many happy returns of the day. Wish you very happy and smiley life. Allah always bless you, always be happy and keep smiling forever. Stay blessed, stay peace, stay safe to everything, badness around you forever. Pray for you, Allah gives you a lot of happiness and blessings and complete your all desires, wishes and dreams which are favorable and benefit for you and remove your all worries, troubles, tensions, problems, sadness and badness. Amen. खुश रहना, you deserve my prayers. So हैप्पी बर्थडे, खुश रहना, ढेर सारा दुआई दे सकता हूँ और बाय बाय.